All right, guys, this is a couple of lot trades. First of all, let's do the usual preliminaries that most people want to see first before they listen to you. Live account. And today's date is right here, 2/24/2021. Technically, again, as I taught you guys before, in the Forex market, the market actually is reversed because what happens is, I'm sorry, not reversed, but I'm tired. I haven't slept yet, but I'm going to bed right after this. But basically what happens in the markets on 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it becomes the new Forex day. So technically right now, if you're going to watch this immediately, it is actually 2/23/2021. But in Forex world, which starts a new day at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it is actually 2/24. I'm looking at the AUD 30-minute time frame. So if you remove the indicators, you'll still be able to see the price action. Market makers, you'll be able to locate this M pattern. So that's how you'll know I'm not bull crapping you. I'm not playing around. It's right here, the M pattern, you know, the higher the day, lower the day stuff. I did study the market makers method for years. And so there it is. So you can spot this. And again, you know, it's right there on the charts for you to verify the trade before I talk about it real quick. So anyway, what happened with this trade, and this, my students, they should have jumped in this one because we talked about this during class about this very pair. And so you'll see a huge candle come out, and unfortunately I missed the entry here. I would have hit it right up here because we were waiting on this. So I knew it was gonna, you know, shoot up or possibly retest this high, which it did. But how it did it, it happened so quick. As you can see, it's one candle that did it. And watch how this happened. This is why you don't trade news, people. Don't trade news. This is a 40 pip candle, and look at how they worked it. What they did was, again, market makers methods, M of the day, high of the day, and then it drops for a couple of pips, went sideways, started drifting down. You would have been in this trade, and what people typically would have done, they would have started moving their stop loss really, really fast to lock in some profits, which I don't mind. I would do the same thing, you know, if you were just trying to scalp. For swing traders, I keep telling them it's not a good idea. So as you can see, here goes a level that you could have considered right here. So you would have moved your stop because you can see it touch right there. Touch. We got it? Okay, good. So what happened was, and check your news, you'll see it for yourself. The NZD came out with interest rate news. Look at what happened. One candle would have wiped you out. Okay, one candle. Bow, took everybody out, retested. I wanted to catch it, but I was watching, you know, smoozing and chilling with my wife, spending time with her. So I actually missed this entry. Well, by the time I actually looked at it, I said, oh, doggone it, I could have got it way up here, which means in addition to the 50 something pips right here, or going on 60 pips, it's two positions times two positions. So divide this 58 by 2, just round it to 60 pips. So that's about 30 pips per position that I made. Okay. But I could have added on more positions here because, like I said, that's another approximate 40 pips times 2. So that's 80 pips plus 60. So let's do the math on what if I would have caught it at the top on that spike. And that's why I was telling you guys about the 214 strategy on Sunday. When you have just a few pairs that you watch and you kind of understand how they move, you're very familiar with them, you knew what to look for. It's just that I kind of missed out on this move because it happened so quick when the news event happened. See, now it's at 60 pips. But add 60 times, so that's 60, and then add another 80, and that'll be 140. So I would have already been up by 140 pips if I would have caught it right here because, you know, I knew it was going to possibly retest this high. But either way it goes, I'm grateful to God. Thank you, Father, for blessing me with these pips. So, you know, I'm guaranteed in profit. So I got something to show for my time here for this trade. I do anticipate that it'll probably do a pullback, which would really be nice because then I can come back and take some of this profit money and slap them again, right? But the point is, I'm just showing you guys how easy it is to trade with our system. It's not complicated, especially if you watch my video on this past Sunday, which was about the 214 strategy. When the 214 strategy is basically two simple strategies, which you can use any one that we're teaching in here, 2 strategies, 1 trading system, and 4 pairs to start with. Okay, that's what the 214 is. Very simple. So if this was one of your pairs, you knew that this is a wonderful trending pair. Very easy to trend. See, and this is where I actually called it off this 1 hour time frame, not the 30. So as you can see, if you look back, look at this trend right here. So this is one that of my 4. See the trend. I'm looking for this as a trend trader. See that smooth trend? See that smooth trend? And when my arrow came in, yes, it shot up. I would have loved to have called it right there because I knew they were just doing the knee-jerk news reaction. But as you can see, I still got in right here about a couple hours ago, about an hour ago, something like that. And so when I saw this, I hopped right on in. Why? Why did I feel comfortable? Well, because look, I know this pair. Look, boom, there it is. See? Pretty smooth trending pair. Boom, 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 boom. So you can make a boatload of money off of just 1 or 2 pairs if you know and understand them. So anyway, that's the evidence for that. Let me show you one more that I'm taking a look at. I'm nibbling on. I'm hoping that this one will drop. I got a few positions. Oh, there it is. It's actually there. It's starting to move. Let me show you this one. And that's oil. All right. Oil. Okay. Oil. You can clearly see arrow came in. I'm just taking a trade. Okay. It's really just that simple on oil. Okay. Really just that simple. And my students, you should already know what pattern we're seeing. Okay. You know what this is. Okay. So when we see that, in addition, that's an additional confirmation. And so, I just took this one too, just to let it, slide. It's oil. Let it slide. Okay. So I'm hoping that this thing will just drop for a little bit and put some more money in the pocket. And that'll be my 2 trading pairs. And, I don't have to trade much anymore this week. Let this roll. But again, I'm just showing you guys that if you follow my YouTube videos, buy our system, go through the tutorials and actually follow the rules. Follow the rules. The money will come. Don't buy my system and just slap it on your charts and you ain't looked at the tutorials. Because again, I don't take every triple arrow I see. You will learn why we are more picky on the pairs that we choose. And when we get in, you'll see why it works. Okay. So again, and come to class. I'm more than happy to teach you and train you every week. I'm here every week, gladly spending time with the students, talking with them. They, question and answer period. I get to talk with you. You get to talk with me. So it's not like you buy the system and you're lost and don't know what you're doing. You know what I mean? We got a lot of brand new traders as well as advanced traders. And we chop it up the same way. I spend quality time with each one, making sure that I answer everybody's question and so forth and so forth. So again, if you want to keep struggling, do your thing, but again, look at that structure right here. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that. Boom. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. See, just as simple as that. See how you can just glance and see it even without Fibonacci's and all this other stuff. Okay. Even without the fibs. Oh, look at the oil. There you go. There you go. Didn't I tell y'all? See, live on camera, live account. There you go. There you go. Dropping. Woo! Get that money. Okay. So anyway, you guys have a good evening and thank you for watching this video. So again, I'll see you in class. If you, it's every Tuesday and Wednesday. And just so you guys know, my class schedule is every Tuesday and Wednesday at 8 a.m. Central Time, 9 a.m. Eastern, and it is recorded. So if you have to work or you can't attend, it's no worries. Don't worry about it. It's recorded. And we put it in our private notification channel in Telegram. And so you can always play every class back and we keep them there all the time. So there's months and months and months of history of listening to our classes. So it's just plenty of education and plenty of support, Team Easy, which is what we call ourselves, Team Easy, easy, so we're here to support you. Okay. But again, live account. So you can actually see this is a live account and this is actually literally taking place right in front of your eyes. So you've seen this price action move. Okay. And again, you saw the date. It's the 23rd or 24th, technically, by MT4 standards. It's 24th. That's okay. But as you can see, I got into this trade a little bit late, but I recognize a potential pattern that I'll teach you when you join. So I knew, okay, it's still good and valid. Let's go ahead and get that money. You look at it from the 30-minute and boom, there it is. Okay. Very easy trades. Very, very easy money. Okay. So again, and look at this bad boy still falling. Love it. You gotta love it. All right, you guys. So anyway, have a great evening. And again, I will see you when you join in class on there on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Okay. Have a great evening. Thank you for your time.